Hello guys, my name is Timothy. Supporter Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. But today ngizokhuluma ngokuthi igame la namhlanje bekumele siliwini. But the problem that we face right now is that ucoach ama player amasimba. Number 2, ama player adlala amasimba phakathi eground. Number 4, asinayo coach kamampela. Just siyahlala sithi sino coach kanti coach angekho bafethu. Uyazi why mina ngisho ukuthi asino coach? Number 1, igoal lokuqala la ngena ngo4 minutes. Ikhona yaba khona, ikhona eqala nje yePirates for Kaizer Chiefs, it's 1 minute. Number 2, in 2 minutes 2 corners. In 3 minutes 1 goal. Niyazi bafethu to why kwenze kanje? Ama player wethu aya defender onke. Ama player adlala phambili ayi2 kuphela. And emuva ePirates ishiya abantu bayi4 ama defender. Thina ama defender wethu awu6. 6 kukora abantu phambili makuthi ama defender ayi6. Ubani aphambili azokora? No one. Ucoach bafethu ucoach amasimba ama player. Number 2, ama player awabi kahle mangena phakathi. Kumele ukuthi emuva kube na 4 defender, ephakathi center kube na 3, and then in the final lapha phambili kube na 4. Lapho kuzoba igame ine balance and then ine opportunity ukuthi singawina lapho. But ucoach angayiboni yonke lonto. Ucoach amasimba bafethu uhlekisa ngathi iningi imali bafethu ispendiwe today. Abantu bathenga ama ticket ukuya stadium, abantu basuka kude, ngisho nabantu basuka eCape Town bebakhona Vandag, nabantu basuka eMaputo, Zimbabwe. Laba banemali, asisho abantu banganamali bebakhona eVandag ku stadium. But kuzohlekwa ngathi into enjani le bafethu? Coach, please siyacela lungisa ama player. My name is Timza. Please follow for more. Kosi for life.